Cherifano, what's good? Uncle AZEE, we back in the house with the scallops. Scallops fams, these ones still have their puku attached, the roe. So yeah, you can have them without that, but yep, scallops. I'm going to season them with lemon, pepper, salt. I've got butter there to cook them in with some oil on this side. Lemon for afterwards, garlic. I'm going to put that in with everything when I fry it, an onion and some spring onions. Check it out, fams, easy as much. But yep, you're going to season these buggers with this stuff. I'm not too sure. The old roe, it's like the boo-boo. Some people don't like the bit right at the end of the boo-boo. Some people do. So we're going to leave the roe on these ones. You can pull them off even if you don't want to eat them after it's cooked. I'm just adding the salt to it now. So just salt and pepper seasoning it, fams. Getting my hand in there. Making sure they're all coated. Yeah, my pan's heating up. My pan's going to be super hot. So I'll get back to you at the pan with these. That's all I'm going to do is just season them and let them sit for, 5-10 minutes. Yep, back at the stove, whānau, this is us. I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of oil. My pan's super hot. I'm going to add my 2 tablespoons of butter. I'm going to add my garlic and onion to that. Not my chives though. Just quickly slide those over. I'm doing it one-handed, so I'm trying my best here. Listen. So yep, there we go. And then go our scallops, super hot, fam. Super hot. Real hot pan. Garlic, our onions, our scallops in there. They're going for gold. It's searing it. You're not boiling it in it. I have to wipe off the lens. But yep, that's as easy as it gets, fams. I'm going to garnish it with those spring onions and that right at the end. I'm going to put the spring onions on and the lemon. I'll show you it when it's plated. Yeah, 5 minutes, fams, in the pan. We've got a bit of colour on them. They kind of got a bit of a goldy colour to them. I'll plate them up now. Mickey. Yeah, just like that, whānau. Scallops. $10 pack from down at your local New World. Straight up, salt, pepper, hot pan, bit of garlic, onion, and I've got some spring onions in there as well, and lemon. Much love. Give it a wham. Eastside salute to everyone out there. Uncle AZEE, fams, give it a burn. East.